Yeah guys, today we are going to find out if you really can use this impressive 650 CFM leaf blower, which has also a really beautiful design, comes with very high specs, has even 3 gears. So everything sounds really impressive, but now let's find out what we really can do, if it's really suitable for medium or even large size cleanup projects in the backyard. And so we can find here everything well organized in this box. We have to pull out the tip here, front nozzle, so we can push it over the main tube and secure it. We get also this very convenient shoulder strap, even with some extra caution, instructions manual, full-size charger working from 110 to 240 volts. First battery, so it's not only a 2 amps, it's a 5.2 ampere hour battery, standard Makita design, which is also something which is awesome. So you can use this battery for a lot of other tools or use other batteries for this leaf blower here. And we do not only get one of these large batteries, we get even 2 of these large batteries. And the awesome thing is that we can check the charge level here easily with a button press. With a lot of batteries we have to press really hard. Here it's super easy. And then of course the main device, where we just have to connect the tube here, just align it here and push it here inside and lock it to the side and add the battery here in the back. And so we can easily control it from here, turning on and selecting the different speeds just with a long press. Okay, and so I've been using it now in the backyard to clean up some leaves, and it definitely didn't disappoint. Had exactly the power which I was hoping for. Not only the speed, but also a huge airflow here. This thing is massive, but it has also perfectly suitable large air intake here from the side and also here from the back. The main intake is from the back. This is very important. So when you hold the blower to the side here, even when you cover this little bit of air intake here, the main air is still flowing without any problem, and so I didn't see any slowdown, absolutely no problem, no heat, no nothing. And what I also like is, despite the high power, that it's not too loud like some other strong leaf blowers which I've seen. And the 3 different speeds definitely help. Also the extended battery runtime of up to 150 minutes with the 2 batteries together. Definitely huge plus. And so I can definitely support the 650 CFM airflow claim from YOOVL. They definitely deliver perfect leaf blower also for larger projects, no doubt about that. The balance, I would say, is not absolutely perfect. I've seen better than this one here, even when I hold it here in the front with the attached large battery. It's not too bad. I've seen worse than that. It's just maybe not absolutely perfect. And so very interested, you can find the link down in the description of the video, so you can check it out and order one for you if you like. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments or want to share your own experience with this leaf blower, and just let us know down in the feedback area. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.